There are several law firms and nonprofit organizations working together to sue the state of Texas. The goal is to reinstate the Texas DREAM Act, which is the law that gave college students without legal residency access to reduced in-state tuition. As Rosetta Holguin has been reviewing the lawsuit, she takes us into the latest.
Right now in Texas, there is a fight to reinstate the Texas DREAM Act.
The Texas DREAM Act has been my biggest support system in college.
And among those on the front line of that fight is Oscar Silva. He came to Texas at the age of 1 and has called Garland home ever since.
My senior year, I remember being terrified because I couldn't land any scholarships. A lot of the scholarships I tried to apply for, they were only for U.S. citizens. That was a significant barrier for me. For the longest, I thought I was just not going to be able to afford college.
With the help of the Texas DREAM Act, Silva was able to attend UNT for his undergrad degree and says it heavily motivated him to pursue his master's.
Throughout undergrad, I just remember feeling very, very happy that I could attend college, that I could, sit in classes with my peers and pretend like everything was normal, that everything, that I belonged just as much as they did.
But Silva and others face an uncertain future. Several law firms are joining the effort to restore the Texas DREAM Act.
I feel like we have a very strong argument moving forward. And what I can confidently also say is that the Texas DREAM Act is not going to go away without a fight.
A federal judge declared the act unconstitutional and invalid.
It's just really cruel, manipulative, mean-spirited legal actions being done by the Attorney General and DOJ.
Domingo Garcia, who was a state representative in 2001, helped write the bill, which passed with bipartisan support.
It's been the law of the land, and attempts to repeal it over the years have all failed.
As the issue goes to court, Oscar Silva will balance the 1 year he has left in his master's program while being part of a group that's intervening in the lawsuit. It's a fight that is now personal for him.
I want to continue higher ed. I want to finish my master's. I want to see my degrees to the end. I got to do whatever I can in my power to make sure that my education is not tampered with.
In Dallas, Rosetta Holguin, CBS News, Texas.